Hey YouTube, welcome to Doug's Small Scale RC World. Today we're going to talk about the Volcano 18 made by Redcat. Now I know there's a lot of people out there who don't like Redcat, but let me tell you, for a near hobby grade or probably hobby grade RC, Redcat does not have as many problems as people think they do. Anyway, I have 3 Redcats, and of the 3 Redcats, I've had them for almost a year. I have only replaced 3 parts on all 3 of them. You can see these Redcat Volcano bashed trucks on my other channel called RVing and RCing. But this channel is not about Redcat. It's not about ups and downs or goods or bads of Redcat. It's about this little truck right here. Now this little truck is 18th scale, and as you can see, it's a pretty nice looking little truck. It has a few scratches on it because it's been used. This is kind of like a video about after the fact. In other words, I've had this truck for almost a year. My grandsons have beat it to death, and it has never broken. Nothing has broken on this truck. Okay? So if you look inside the truck, you can see it's pretty simple. Okay, it's got shocks, pretty good shocks. It's got a small motor, which is to take the cover of motor, or the heatsink off the motor. It's a 370 motor. Exactly how many turns I don't know, but I'm telling you what, it's quick. Really quick. And this little light truck comes with the heat sink. It's got a receiver ESC all-in-one, a micro servo for steering. Okay, this truck has been run, like I said, for over a year, probably over 20 times. 20 batteries run through it. Bashed by a 10-year-old and a 6-year-old, and it's not, there's no looseness in it, there's no parts broke, no cracks, no loose screws, nothing. This little truck has been one of the best little trucks. So this is a pretty good little truck. Comes with a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. It's small for small kids, but an adult can use it. It's a good little receiver or transmitter. Receiver works good. Get pretty good range. My grandson, who is 6, drove it quite a ways away from him one day and never lost contact with it. So just wanted to let you know that this is a pretty good little truck. Got all plastic. Got little metal caps on the shocks. Mostly plastic. Got a few, but again, nothing cracked, nothing broke, nothing. It's a good little truck. It comes with 2 Li-ion 7.4 volt batteries. Probably runs a good 20 minutes on one battery. Comes with a charger, X-Fly charger, trickle charger, charges through the I can't even remember what the name of that port is, but it charges through that port. Okay, takes about an hour, hour and a half to charge. Battery fits into a pretty good looking battery case. Up here on top, steering trim. You got your dual rate steering, dual rate trim, and steering reverse. So if you are so inclined to reverse your steering and whatever, it works just as good. Okay. Pretty quick little servo. And as far as wheel speed, it's got a lot. Got a lot of wheel speed. So after 8 months of using it, I do notice right now, I haven't noticed it before, that one of the dog bones is bent a little bit, but that doesn't seem to affect the drivability of this truck, because the last time my grandson used it, he banged the heck out of it, that's for sure. Alright, so if you want to see a running video of it, I'll have a running video up shortly. But just wanted to let you know that after 8 months of hard use, this truck has not, I repeat, not broken a single thing.